Hi everyone. Okay, we have 5 people. 7. That's good. Alright. So I'm just trying to make sure you guys can hear me. You can use the live chat. Hi everyone. Oops. Okay, we have 5. Alright. So audio is working. We're good. Alright. So let's get started. Okay, so our agenda for tonight is really to have a quick lesson on cryptocurrency, which is how to get started. So this is basically aimed for beginners, and you could already be trading, but it can still help you out. And then Q&A, so we'll have a question and answer later. And then lastly, we'll have a live coin review, which means you can request a coin, and then we will go ahead and check the charts, and I'll let you know if there are any buy signs or sell signs. Okay, let's get started. So if you have any questions, feel free to type in on the live chat, and I will try to answer it as quick as I can. Thank you. Alright, so for now I'm going to show you how to get started. So personally, I have made a post. I'm not sure if everyone has seen it here, but let me show you. One sec. Okay, hang on. Alright, bear with me. There you go. So hope you're seeing this. Right. Let's try to refresh. There. So this post, I created this post for my friends because when I got started, I also didn't know what to do, and Carlo actually helped me out in getting started. So that's why I wrote this post. So first of all, if you haven't invested at all in Bitcoin or don't have any altcoins yet at all, then all you have to do is find a place or an app or company wherein you can buy Bitcoin. So in cryptocurrency Philippines, what we're currently using is coins.ph. There is another option which is bitbit.cash. And there are a few others like buy Bitcoin, and then there's also a Bitcoin ATM in Makati. So we can share that in the comments later. So step 1, set up an account. So I'm going to show you how to do that. One sec, just quickly, let me show you. Okay. Oops, it's my phone. So, oops, no, not that. All right. So, cryptocurrency. There. Forgive my apps. All right. So, we have coins.ph. Then there's also Bitbit, as you can see, and a lot of other apps here. So, we're going to use coins.ph. So with coins.ph, I have already signed up. One sec. But just register and follow the instructions. Okay. And then after that, you would have to do your step 2, which is finish level 2 verification. Why is that important? Hang on. Let me check the stream. Are we still streaming? No, it's not. Okay. Hang on. There. You should be seeing the coins page right now. Ah, really? Hang on. So it should be loading. There is a little lag. So there you go. Yay. So I didn't go through the registration process. It's very straightforward. So just follow along, and then after that you will be directed to this page. This is the mobile version. So for the mobile version, all you have to do is go through step 2, which is to do the level 2 verification. Alright. So for level 2 verification, you have to do a few selfies, a phone verification, and then ID. So you will have to send in your ID, and then you will have to take a selfie with your ID, and you would have to also put in a code from your phone. So that's how you're going to do level 2. Why is this important? It's because of your limits. So for level 1, oops. So for level 1, you only have 2,000 pesos limit of cash in. And that's not enough. You can't even withdraw. So for level 2, as you can see, you have 50,000 pesos of cash in and cash out, I believe. That's every day. And then 400 in a year. So don't mind that. Don't mind my numbers. So that's why it's important for level 2, so that at least you can put in more money and then take out money as well. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and close this. Alright. Now another thing with coins that's important for you to see is clicking on the all icon. So the one with the 4 circles. So here you will see Bitcoin price. That's very important. This is important when you want to buy or to sell or withdraw. So just click on Bitcoin price. Ooh, nice graph. Alright, so for this one, you will see what the current buying price is and the current selling price. Why is this important? Just like in Forex, there is a different price for buying and selling. So if you are buying, sorry for all the notifications. Okay, so if you are buying Bitcoin from coins.ph, your price or your rate will be 186,926 right now. And it changes every minute or every second even. So you have to make sure you know what the price is, so that at least you can compare if there are other options like Bitbit, cash, or buy Bitcoin. And then if you are withdrawing, the price is 178,799. As you can see, the price difference is very high. So that's a difference of around 8,200 pesos or 100 pesos. So why is that? Coins is not duping you or anything. They need to pay miners, and they have maintenance fees and all that stuff. They also have a company to take care of that's helping us buy Bitcoins. So let's give it to them. But there is another option, which is Bitbit. So I don't know why it's like this. I think I've set this up before. There you go. Wow, it's new. Okay, so for Bitbit, oops. As you can see, the price is different. It's just a little bit harder to check the price here. Actually, they changed their UI, so let me go ahead and check first. Oops, sorry. So, okay. So if you're going to withdraw, oops, my gosh, sorry. All right. So if you're going to withdraw, the price is 177,000 for Bitbit. But then from coins, it's 178. So as you can see, it's a bit lower in Bitbit, but the buying price, don't mind my texts, the buying price is higher, lower in bitbit.cash. It's just a little hard to check here. So that's how you check the Bitcoin price. Now we go ahead in cashing in. So this is the next step for you to have Bitcoin. So let me just see. Hang on. So the, step 3 is cash in. All right, cash in, load options, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna show you. All right. So cash-in options, we have a lot for coins. It's the same with bitbit.cash because they're getting these options from the banks and from Banco Central, and there are certain limitations. So it's almost similar. So we have 7-Eleven, Cebuana, as you can see there, Luilier, Union Bank, GCash. And I also have online bank transfer, over-the-counter banking. So online bank transfer, you have to enroll. So it requires time for you, and it also requires you to go to the bank and stuff like that. We will not discuss how you're gonna do these, but what I can tell you is how you're gonna check the rates. So which one should you choose? For example, 7-Eleven is very convenient. So just go to 7-Eleven, and then you can test here how much the fee would be. So what I usually do is I just put in 9999. So as you can see, there's an amount. Oh, so it's saying put in an amount below 931. Wow. Okay. So let's try 900,000. All right. It says maximum amount is 20,000 pesos. So 20,000 for 7-Eleven. How much fee is that? So just put in 20,000. That's the maximum. That's wow. Whew, that's 400 pesos. So 400 pesos for 7-Eleven for the maximum amount. Make sure that if you have questions, just type in the live chat. If you're not seeing the screen I'm talking about, let me know, okay? So what if it's just 100 pesos? There. So there's no fee if it's 100. But if it's 101, tada, there's a 2 peso fee. So you can test it like this. This is for 7-Eleven. If you're going to try it out, I recommend going with 1,000 pesos and think of losing it. So make sure you're not going to cry if you lose this 1,000 pesos. If it's your first time, this is the amount I use just to play around in trading. And I didn't lose it. So it's 20 pesos in 7-Eleven. So that's 1,020. You just give the money to 7-Eleven, show them the QR code. I'm going to show you now. Let's try it. So I'm going to cash in 1,000 pesos with a 20 peso fee. So I'm going to click next. Alright, so it says you are about to cash in 1,000. This will cost 1,020. Alright, confirm. And there you go. So you will get wait, there used to be a QR code here. Maybe not anymore. So as you can see, I also received a text message. So there's a text message. There is an order number here. There you go. And it says, please pay within 7 hours. So just go to your nearest 7-Eleven, show this to them, and just pay the amount. And instantly, you will have your 1,000 pesos in your peso wallet. So it will show up here. As you can see, I have 200 right now from referral fees. So you get 50 pesos if someone signs up under your code and goes through the level 2 verification. Okay? So there, that's how you cash in via 7-Eleven. You can try the others. I'd have to cancel the other one. So with Cebuana, so you can do the same thing. Just 999. So it's 50,000. Let's try 50,000. There you go. So it's maximum 40 peso fee for Cebuana. Maximum 50,000 pesos. Meaning this is a better choice if you're going to put in more money. Okay? And then for me personally, I use GCash. Just because BPI is connected to my GCash and it's easier. So BPI charges me 20 pesos per transaction when I'm transferring money from BPI to GCash. And then GCash is not available right now. Alright, so DragonPay is having issues and being a little bitchy. Sorry for the language. But so I guess 7-Eleven or Cebuana is the better choice. Nia is below 0.01. Alright, online bank transfer, what we recommend is BDO, but it's not here anymore. I think they're having issues with DragonPay and BDO. So, I don't know right now. If you have any suggestions, let us know through the live chat. Because right now what we're using is... Actually, I'm not using coins anymore. I've been buying from other people in the group, which is cheaper because of the buy and sell rate. So, let's move on. Do you have any questions so far? No questions, I'm going to go ahead. So that's cashing in. How about cashing out? So cashing out is a little easier. So just click cash out, and then these are your options. So for me personally, I use BPI. Why? I use bank here, bank. And then hopefully BPI is here. There you go. So say I'm gonna withdraw 200 pesos since I have 200. So there's no payout fee. If it's, yeah, there's no payout fee if you're withdrawing. So say 200 pesos, I'm gonna withdraw and then click next. And it's just gonna ask me for my account number, meaning they're just going to transfer the money to my account. So it's very easy. It only takes around 1 to 2 hours, or 1 to 5, sorry, 1 to 5 hours. Here's a question: you buy directly from people? Yes. So okay, let's discuss that. So I'm going back to the Bitcoin price. So click on all, then Bitcoin price. There. So as you can see, there is a different buy and sell price. And if I withdraw from coins, I'm going to have a rate of 177,000. So if I'm withdrawing 1 Bitcoin, that means I'll only get 177. And usually the rate is in the middle, so around say 180. So it's like I lost 3,000 right away. But if I buy from other people, our going rate right now is the buy price at 1% discount. So that's 185,946. So let me just open a calculator. There. So 185,946 times 0.01 for 1% discount. There. So 18. Okay, so 185,946 minus the discount. There, I'm gonna get 184,000 for my 1 Bitcoin, which is really a really good rate. Versus if you're gonna get it 177,000. Question: is there no payout fee for BPI for all withdrawals? I believe so. As far as I've tried, there's no payout fee because the fees are in cash in, mostly in cash in. Okay. So how do I pay for it? So if I'm withdrawing, I'm gonna have to sell to people. So how are they going to pay for the Bitcoin? Usually it's bank transfer. So what we're doing right now in the group is I'm not sure if this is allowed to be broadcast, but what we're doing is we are just doing bank transfer and then sending Bitcoin to each other. It's very easy, no fees, just a discount. All right, question: should let's move on, okay? Question: should we continue buying Neo? That will be on the live coin review. We'll go ahead on that at around in 5 minutes or after the Q&A. So let's move on. There are no more questions on buying Bitcoin from other people. It's a tough subject because you have to trust the other person. But in the group, we try to vet each other. So if someone is trying to sell you Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin from you, ask the group, ask the admins if we can trust that person, because we've done a few deals already within each other's groups. Okay. So you know how to cash in, you know how to cash out. Now you want to know how to convert Bitcoin. So you bought, say, I have 200 pesos right now on my peso wallet. I want to buy Bitcoin. Of course, that's why you downloaded coins.ph. So how am I going to do that? What I click on, or what you should click on, is convert. There. So it says 200 pesos is worth 0.001 Bitcoin right now at 186,000 rate. So if I click on, do I convert? It's too high. Okay, I'll try to convert. Okay, so it's again giving you the rates and how much it's going to be. So since I won't be needing the 200, so I'm gonna confirm. Wait, let me just take a screenshot. Alright, so I take a screenshot so I know the rate. Click confirm and couldn't convert. Why? Because the rate has changed. So the rate changed to a higher number. So I'll just confirm. Then convert again. There you go. So my peso is gone. Where is it? I don't know where my money is. So just don't mind my notifications. So now how do you find your Bitcoin? It's just right here. So just swipe to the right. Ta-da! I have 0.001 Bitcoin on coins. And a common question is 191. I've already lost 9 pesos. Is that true? No. So remember earlier, buy and sell rates are different. So the 191 here is converted from the sell rate. So that's why it's lower. But it doesn't mean you've lost money. Okay? You have lost money if you will withdraw this one at this rate. Alright? So now I have Bitcoin. What do I do with it? Do I leave it on coins.ph? Do I trade it? How do I use this? How can I buy NEO? So that's our next step. Let me just, okay. Alright, so what to do next? So now I have 0.001. I want to keep it safe. So there are two options for you. One is you just keep it in a wallet and forget about it. So it's a long-term investment. The second is to use it for trading. So what does trading mean? You're going to buy other coins with your Bitcoin. So the first one is with a wallet. I'm going to show you the wallets I have here. I don't use all of them, but these are the nice ones. So we have blockchain.info, well, blockchain. So it's this one in the middle. And then Jax. There's also mycelium. I don't think I have it here. Yeah, I think I deleted it. So mycelium. And then there's also Exodus. Exodus is a PC or a laptop wallet. So it's a computer wallet. Exodus. There you go. So just search it. Let's do it. Wait a sec. Alright. So let's go Exodus. There. Exodus.io. I think I already have it here. So I don't have anything on it anyway. So I'm going to show you. Ta-da! Okay. Control your future wealth. So just download here. Download. And just a fair warning to those who are paranoid, make sure that you install Exodus in a, what do they call it? In a cold wallet. I think that's what it's called. Meaning it's not, it has never been connected to the internet, and it's only local. So at least there's no phishing attacks or anything. So this is the Exodus app once installed. So you have Aragon, Augur. These are the coins that you can put in this. So you can put in Bitcoin, you can put in EOS, you can put in Ethereum. There's no NEO yet, but it has its own wallet. So this is, oh no. You're gonna see my coins. Never mind. So yeah, this is Exodus. So that's another wallet you can try. Hang on. All right, let's go back. Okay, questions. Do you have any questions? Oops, no. Okay. All right. You're seeing my screen, right? There. One sec. So you should be seeing the Coins app again. And hang on. Just do the chat. Okay, sorry. Hang on. Okay, questions? No? So you want to transfer your money or your Bitcoin. So you transfer it to a wallet. How? So I'm gonna show you from coins. All right. So from coins, you can see here that you have to remember first how much Bitcoin you have. So right now I have 0.001, let's put it here, 0.00107,376. So just remember that and then click on send. So there are three options. You can send it to friends within the coins.ph environment. You can scan QR code, or you can enter the BTC address. The address is what you get from wallets. But then if you're going to put it into Exodus, so I'm going to try that. Oops. I'm going to open Exodus. I'm going to show you. There. Oops. No, my screen is not here. Hang on. Screen capture. Monitor. Right. Oops. Okay, can you see Exodus? Right. So Exodus is here. It shows send and receive. So if I wanted to send Bitcoin, I'll click on Bitcoin. Hang on. You're not seeing this, are you? There. Alright. So if I click on Bitcoin, wait, let me fix it. Sorry. Wait. Hang on. Sorry. Screen capture. Okay, almost there. One sec. There you go. Alright. You should be seeing my Exodus wallet there. Okay, so as you can see, there's a send and receive. We have no questions, a very quiet crowd. 10 watching. Okay, so right. So there's a send and receive option here. If I want to send money or Bitcoin from Exodus, I'm gonna click send. But we want to send Bitcoin to the Exodus wallet. So just click on receive. And then you will see here your address. This is your address. This is your QR code. If you're using your mobile to use coins.ph and then your laptop for your Exodus wallet, you can just scan the QR code. If not, then you can just copy this address and then put in enter BTC address on coins.ph. Note though that you have two addresses on Exodus. I don't know why. So just take note. So just take note which address you're using. But I believe it would go to the same Exodus wallet anyway. It's just a different address. So just use one. Okay? So for example, this one I'm gonna use. I don't want to send it. I'm not gonna send it now, but we'll try it out. So let me just use the phone. There. Okay, so if I'm going to do the scan QR code, oops, did you see that? It's so fast. So it already scanned the QR code, and it's gonna ask me how much I want to put in. So says here I have 0.00107,376. Oops. There. 07. Right. There. you can see here that the total amount is different. It's already just 15552. Why? Because there's a fee at the bottom. This is what will be given to the miners, I believe, for coins. So you have three options: low, medium, high. So if you choose low, it's just the normal timeline. Usually just a few minutes, really. It's not that long. But then if you choose medium, it would be a higher rate, which is 0.00364. So then there's another one, high, which is 0.04004. So this one is even faster. That's what they say. But I always use low. It doesn't take that long. It just takes a few minutes. Like the most the longest I've heard is 5 hours, but that's very isolated. For me, it's usually just 30 minutes to 45, I think. So this will not allow me to send it. I'll show you. So I have 0.00107. I'm supposed to pay 0.0015. So I don't have that much. So if I slide this to confirm, it's gonna fail. So I'm gonna dismiss it. So you have to do it again. So send QR code there. Alright. And then you have to use your calculator and minus the amount from the fee. So I'm not gonna do it anymore, so we can move on. So there, that's how you transfer. And that's the same thing if you want to trade your money. So how are you going to trade your money? Usually what we use in the group is Bittrex. So I'm gonna show you. There. Bittrex.com. So again, this is for beginners. So those who already have a Bittrex account, you already know what to do. But then if you have a few friends who want to get started, you can show them this video. Oh no! You're gonna see my account. So I'm gonna log out. Jesus. Alright. So I want to sign up for Bittrex. So how am I going to do that? I click on login. It's not very intuitive. There. Click on login. No! Then click on sign up. There. Sorry. There. So just put in your information. I'm gonna need to show you So sige, I'll try something else. Try different account. Alright, sign up. Ay, sorry. This is just for testing purposes. What? Okay, fine. Oh, you're not seeing this, I think. Sorry. There. I signed up to Bittrex. Buti na lang, you didn't see my account. Alright. So, there. Oops. Okay, I signed up to Bittrex. This is what's gonna happen. You're gonna receive an email. You know how it works. And then, ta-da, I'm already signed up. Alright, then let's log in. So at least you won't see my Bitcoin. Oops. Excuse me. Alright, here it is. An empty Bittrex account. Okay, so this is Bittrex. This is where we usually trade money or Bitcoin. Now, how do you send Bitcoin to your address in Bittrex? If you want to trade, if you want to buy any of these coins like Neo, so click on wallets. It's the first thing you have to do. Click on wallets. Then you will see all these coins. Just go to Bitcoin. You'll see it. It's the first one. And click on plus. There. So as you can see, there's no address here. That's what we're looking for. There's no QR code. You have to create a new one. So just click on new address. And ta-da, you have an address and a QR code. So just do the same thing but from coins. Do it now. Oops, it's waiting. So waiting for new address. Alright, so I'm gonna send my money. So make sure you are using your Bitcoin wallet there. So send, scan QR code. So it's easier with the computer. And ta-da, same thing. Okay, let's move on. That's how you do it. That's also how you do it for the other coins. If you have Litecoin somewhere and you want to add it to Bittrex, just click on plus. You're gonna have to create a new address. Okay. Again, an exchange and coins.ph even is not a personal wallet. It's a shared. Well, it's not really a wallet, really. It doesn't register in the blockchain. So if you buy Litecoin in Bittrex, it's not showing you as having Litecoin in the blockchain unless you take it out. Okay. So this is some Bittrex. Next step. What's our next step? Alright, convert to BTC. We're done. Monitor the price in Bittrex. So now you want to buy some coins. So say we wanted to buy NEO. Just three more minutes for the how to get started. So we want to buy NEO. Just go to market or Bittrex here. If you have questions, let me know on the live chat. Okay, and then say NEO. Wow, NEO is at number 8. Alright, so you want to buy some NEO, click on NEO. And then just a quick explanation on the layout. So this is the price chart. This is important because if you zoom out, you will see the history. And then you can decide if it's a good time to buy. On the right side are the basic information you should know of. So there's volume, there's the last price. This is the last price it's every minute. It changes every minute. So the volume is how much Bitcoin is being traded within NEO. So as you can see, it has 76 Bitcoins. Just compute. Alright, there it is. 2 something. 270 million dollars. Wow. And then bid. Bid is on the left side below. Later I'll show you. And then ask on the right. And then 24-hour high and low. So this is the highest so far within 24 hours. And this is the lowest so far within 24 hours. So the next one is the trading area. On the left side is the buy, and on the right side is the sell. If you want to buy, just put it here. So I want to buy 100, say, at, usually I just click the price here. There, click it. There you go. So 0.009 at that price. So I'm gonna have to have 0.9 Bitcoin, which I don't have. Alright, so say 10 or just 1. Yeah, or just 1. There you go. So as you can see, it's not the same price. 903 and then it became 905. Why? Because there's a fee. So it's a small fee. If I click on buy, it's gonna show you. So the commission here is, I believe it's around 0.25% if I'm not mistaken, but it changes. There's by tier. So I didn't really compute for it, but you will see the commission here, 2258 satoshis. So a Bitcoin is composed of 8 decimal points. So 1 decimal, so the one at the end here is called a Satoshi. So 8 Satoshi. So this one is 2,258 Satoshis. Just so you know. So I'm going to cancel this. If I want to sell, I'm going to do the same thing. Just like that. And you will see the price here is different. See? So make sure that if you want to test your profit, you have to simulate it here on the buy and sell area. So if I bought one Neo at 0.008, and I'm gonna sell at 0.009, did I make a profit? Yes, it's higher. But say I make it the same price here, you're not gonna get your money back. You will lose money. So make sure you simulate it on the buy and sell portion. Okay, let's move on. Order book. So this is what the other people are offering. So on the left side are bids, on the right side are asks. Bids are people are saying, I want to buy Neo at this price with this amount of Neo. So say I wanted to buy 10 Neos at 0.0925 something. The asks is like a marketplace. It's like a stores. So I have this many Neos. I have 90 Neo. Well, that's composed of a lot of people. But I've ang bilis. I have 20, I have 5. Okay, I have 5 Neo. At this price, I want to sell it. So I want to sell my Neo at this price. So that's the ask. So what happens is, if you go through the bids, you would have to wait for someone to sell to you some Neo at that price. But on the ask, if you're gonna sell, you're gonna have to wait for someone to buy it from you. So how do you know if people are buying or selling? It's at the bottom here at market history. So you can see the history. You can display more, like 100. There you go. Oops, I'm past 2 minutes. All right, let's move on. So there. So you can see the history and all of that. And this is, I think we can do another session for beginners if you are confused on this section. But basically, that's how you use Bittrex. Let's move on. Question. All right, sorry. You're not seeing the screen? Really? I'm so sorry. Wait. Oh my goodness. Sorry, guys. You didn't see the screen. Sorry. So just log into Bittrex and see. So this is the trading area, the order book, and the market history. Alright? Sorry about that. I'm gonna be better next time. And this is the price chart. Okay, let's move on. Questions? Sorry guys. Sorry talaga. Sorry. Yung screen po, di na nakikita. Sorry. Question, can you repeat with the right screen? Sige, so mabilis. I'm really sorry. Okay, so let's go to wallets. Sorry guys. 2 minutes. Yan. So, I went to wallets because I want to send Bitcoin. So, click on plus, generate a new address, and you will get a QR code. Okay? Next. Now, you want to buy some coins. So, you go to Bittrex here. Sorry talaga, guys. Next time, I'll check the screen. Alright. Next time, you send me a message so it pops up. Alright. So, you want to buy some Neo. So, how do you know? Just look for the code here. Or you can search it from here. On the search. Just type Neo. And there it is. What's the significance of these information? Volume is the number of Bitcoins being traded within Neo. Change is the change within 24 hours. So within 24 hours, Neo at the current last price, or the last price, increased by 11.4%, 4.2. 24-hour high is the highest it got within 24 hours from now. 24-hour low, the lowest. Spread, I'm really not sure yet. I don't really check it. Added. When was it added on Bittrex? There are some coins that when added recently, they shot up on price or go down or get dumped. So what I do sometimes, I check for new coins. I just use this. I just sort it. So you can sort it by volume. You can sort it by change. You can sort it by price if you want the cheap ones. You can sort it even by market. Okay? Bullish tree method na ba ito tao yung graph ng black ngayon? Paki-check. Alright, next natin yan. Sorry, bilis lang. sorry. Okay, so we're gonna buy NEO. So quickly, I'm gonna show you again the screens. Sorry. So the information at the outside is also here on the right side. On the left side is the price chart. And then you have some indicators here you can use. We can discuss that next time. But for now, I'll show you stochastics or MACD. MACD. Ayaw. No. Sorry. There. Anyway, we'll show it later. And then you have the trading area. So left is buy, sell is sell, right is sell. You can also set a stop limit here, like a conditional. We can discuss that next time. For now, just buy and sell. And then the order book. So sa left side, the bids. This is where people say, I want to buy this many NEO at this price. On the right side is asks, I want to sell my NEO, this many NEO at this price. This is my price. Okay? And then market history. This is where you can see the current activity. Are people selling? Are people buying? How many? How much Bitcoin? So you can see here how much Bitcoin it's worth. That's very important. And then your order history at the bottom. Usually, if you are tracking things, you can also track it from the orders tab. Okay? Question? No question? Can we move on? Sorry a lot, guys. And your current orders, if you're buying, will be on open orders. You can also check it on the orders tab. Here. So it will show up here. And since I don't have Bitcoin here, so it's not going to show anything. All right, let's move to question and answer. I think we can go ahead and answer some questions. Go ahead, guys. Okay, question. Should we continue buying NEO? We'll do the live coin review for that. Bullish tree method na ba matatawag yung graph ng black? So, if you guys have no questions, then we can go ahead with the live coin review. You have 12 more minutes. No questions? All right. I'm gonna move on. There. Is Ripple any good? All right. This is cryptocurrency is very sensitive to speculation, rumors, news, updates, upgrades. So, is Ripple any good? Ripple is a really good coin. It's just that cryptocurrency was supposedly promoting decentralization. And Ripple is working with banks. And banks is a very centralized form of organization. So it kind of doesn't, jive. And people are thinking there's a lot of Ripple. Actually, there's an unlimited number of Ripple. You can check that from here. I'll show you. CoinMarketCap is your best friend. So, here. So, if you want to check a coin, go to coinmarketcap.com. Here you go. And then Ripple. So, it's the number 3 top coin, but then it's not moving as much. Here. Why? Because look at the supply. That's so many coins. 99 billion, guys. Anything more than anything in the billions, medyo yun, mababa talaga yung magiging price because of supply. So there's a lot of coins, so the value won't be that high. I hope that makes sense. So, same questions in Neo. We'll do the live review for Neo. Litecoin will do the review. Any good app to track whether you gain or lost? Yes. So, I'll show you. I use two apps. One is from our sister here, Michelle. Sis Michelle, I learned the other one from you. Let me show them. Hang on. Alright. So, I use Blockfolio, guys. Oh my goodness! No, you did not see that. Yes. So, you did not see my... Oh my god. I can't show you guys because my Bitcoin is in there. Buti na lang you didn't see it. Anyway, I use Blockfolio. Just download it. So, yeah. Just download it from the App Store. Blockfolio. I can't show you guys because my Bitcoin is in there. But there's another one. It's called Tab Trader. But you can't really put in your portfolio in there. It's just for price. It's just for you to check prices. So here, you can just check. Oops. Oh, cool. We can do landscape. Okay, let's do landscape. All right. So you can see here what's happening on the prices. But you can't really put in your portfolio. But you can use Blockfolio from the App Store. It's available on Android and iOS. Okay? Do not, well, it's a personal opinion, but I would suggest or recommend not to use anything asking for a Bittrex API because they will see your coins, especially if it has a read write permission. So make sure you do not give any API keys to any third-party application. Question, and you can't see from Bittrex whether you profit or you lost. Yes, you can. Just wanted to ask if there are any good apps to track your portfolio. Yeah, I've mentioned Blockfolio is your best friend. There are some more. There's another one. Wait, baka makita niyo yung coins ko. There's another one called CoinCap. Here you'll see some coins here, but it's not updated. And I don't really like it. So I like Blockfolio. It's really easy to understand. Okay, any more questions so we can go on to the live coin review? 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go ahead. So we have Neo, Litecoin, sorry, Ripple, Litecoin so far, right? Okay, let's go ahead and review Neo, favorite. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna show is CoinMarketCap. So in order for you to know what's happening to Neo, then you go to CoinMarketCap and check. So this is Neo. See, the supply is really healthy. Just 100 million coins. That's not so much. So 100 million coins, and then within 24 hours, it's being traded, or $432 million is being traded in within 1 billion, 1.6. So, ilan yun? Sorry, na-compute. 432 divided by 1.6. So, that's 27%. That's very healthy. So, anything above 10% that's trading within 24 hours is a very good coin. Now, should we still be buying Neo? That's your question, right? So, let's go to Coinigy. I already have it open. So, Coinigy is what I use to chart things. There. Wait, are you seeing my screen? No, you're not. Oops, sorry. Again. My goodness. Alright. So, I'll show you CoinMarketCap again, quickly. So, this is Neo. It's only 100 million total supply. and it's trading around 27% of its total market cap. That's how you read this. Okay? And that's a healthy number. And seeing the chart, it's not being dumped. It keeps on going up. So that's a really good sign. And then markets. Where is it being traded? You can see here. Usually we use Bittrex. Social. What's happening to NEO? What's the news? Time zone conversions available on the Reddit. Okay. There's Twitter also. There's a Reddit here. So you can read on about NEO from the social tab. So what's happening? Ethereum of China. You see why it's so high right now. Traveling to Japan, blah, blah, blah. So you can review it from here. Then I'm going to show you the chart. You didn't see it, Michelle. You didn't see my coins. Because I'm dumb on my Wirecast. I didn't show you the screen. So I'm going to show you the chart for NEO. There. So you can take a screen capture of this if you're watching from the recording later. So you can take a screen capture. Why? Because I have all my settings visible. So you can use Coinigy. It's free for 30 days, but I just use another email address until I'm ready to buy. So sorry. There. So until I'm ready to buy, I'm not gonna buy. So it's free for 30 days, and then you can just copy my settings. So just figure it out. Ngayon, NEO. What's NEO? So 1 hour. Usually I just check 1 hour, 4 hours, 12, and 1 day. So for the 1 hour chart, you can see here it's going down, right? Going down for the MACD, stock RSI going down, and even on the price chart, it's going down. So right now it's going down. And what sign is it? This one is neutral. Why is it neutral? You're seeing my mouse cursor, right? Your first child, eh? My first child was Digibyte. Yeah. Alright, so you're seeing my mouse cursor. So I'm pointing at stock RSI or stochastics RSI. So this one is trying to rest. It's been exhausted. As you can see, it's been dancing around on top. So you see this shaded area here. That's the neutral zone. So whenever it's in the neutral zone, don't do anything. Don't buy, don't sell. Just see how it goes. But then if it's below the shaded zone or the neutral zone, that's the resting area. So it's trying to rest. It's been exhausted, meaning right now it's being sold by people. So if it's below the shaded zone or the neutral zone, it's oversold. That's what it's called. If it's on top, it's overbought, meaning a lot of people already bought NEO, but then still a lot of people bought it. So yeah, it's trying to rest right now. So if you're asking if it's a good time to buy within the hour, no, because it's still going down. So you can still get a better price. Within 4 hours, let's see. So again, it's also going down. This is a bearish sign. And then as you can see here, it has a lot of energy earlier, but then it's also going down. You see that red line? If the red line is higher than the purple line, well, I made those colors myself, so you can change it.
It's 10 o'clock.
Okay, it's 10 o'clock. Sorry guys. So the red line, if it's on top, meaning it's going down. If it's above the neutral zone, that means it's overbought. So this is not a good time to buy. This is actually a sell sign. So if it's above the neutral zone and it's going down, you have to sell within 4 hours. So just find a good price within 4 hours. And then this one at the bottom, as you can see, the red and the purple crossed. If it crosses and then the red is on top, it's going down. So again, this is a sell sign. And your neutral zone here is the line in between here, as you can see from the oscillators. So the blue ones are, I believe this is volume. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And then here, this is also a sell sign because of the candlestick. That's a different discussion. But the candlestick here shows that it's a sell sign within 4 hours. Let's check 12 hours. All right, this is a neutral sign candlestick, but this is a sell sign for the 12-hour chart. And this one is going to be a sell sign on the 12-hour chart. So as you can see, it's all sell signs. So it's not a good time to buy. Then within the day, it's neutral all over. So really, it's not a good time to buy. Don't buy NEO right now. If you want to take profit, if it's not a long-term coin for you, but it should be because it's a really good coin. If it's not a long-term coin, you have to sell. Just find a good price. Okay, next, XRP. Questions on NEO? Are we good? All right, XRP. See? Whew. Wow. So this is the 1-day chart. As you can see, actually I'm gonna draw. And then let's draw something. Do you see that? Because I can. Dun, dun, dun. That's a triangle. Ta-da! Well, not really like this, but okay, fine. So triangles are very powerful. So, and as you can see at the stock RSI at the bottom, it's resting. It's been trying to go up, but it still doesn't have that much energy. So it's not going to move in the near future, but it may move soon. Let's check the Bollinger Bands. There. Whew. Bollinger. So the Bollinger, sorry if it's not that clear. I'm going to remove the lines. All right. The purple and the red and the blue. That's the Bollinger Bands. There you go. So, the Bollinger Bands are open right here within the 1-hour chart. Let's try 1 day. Sorry. Let's try 1 day. 1 day it's neutral. It's resting. It may be a good price, but it's not really a good time to buy because it's not showing energy really. Even your MACD at the bottom, it's totally resting. It's sleeping like a baby. 12 hours. Same. It's neutral, neutral. Yeah, neutral. Why is it neutral? The red and the purple, they're going down straight. They're not even showing a cross or a future cross. 4 hours. Neutral, neutral. It's all neutral. Guys, XRP is a slow mover, really. It was my first coin, but then I let go because it's too slow. So slow, slow. It's all neutral, guys. Don't buy. You can try buying, but it's not gonna move much. Not in the near future. And the Bollinger Bands doesn't show any future good huge movement. So no. XRP done. Litecoin. Guys, if you have other coins you want to review, let me know. Okay, 1 day. Let's check 1 day. 1 day chart. It's resting. 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 That's a neutral sign. Neutral sign. And as you can see, volume is also low. Bollinger Bands are just normal. So no, it's neutral within the day. Within 12 hours, uh, neutral, neutral, neutral. 4 hours, neutral. Mm, this is a weak buy sign. Neutral. So just one buy sign so far. Within 4 hours. Within an hour, neutral, neutral, neutral. Sorry, nothing. Litecoin is nothing right now. Don't buy. Don't sell. Civic. I love Civic. I actually called or I emailed their marketing department because I wanted to get Civic for my startup. This is Civic. Let's do one day. Oh, not much on one day. Sorry, guys. 12 hours. Not much also. So it's about to go down within 12 hours. But MACD here is contradicting. So it could go both ways within 12 hours. Within 4 hours, wow, it's still gonna go up. Ups, wait. So price chart, it looks like it's very open. You see those Bollinger Bands, the purple and the red? It's very open. Meaning, it has so much energy, it has to rest soon. But we don't know when. Because this one, the next chart here, the stock RSI, is showing it's already oversold, but it still has so much energy because the volume is high in Bitrex, I believe. So, yeah, it's neutral. And then for the MACD, it's trying to it's gonna cross soon. This is 4 hours, so that's around here, middle of tomorrow. So by tomorrow, it's gonna cross and looks like red will be on top, meaning that's a sell sign. It's 4-hour chart. Within the hour, hang on guys. Within the hour, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. So guys, this is an already exhausted coin. So if you're gonna buy for long term, that's fine because it's still undervalued. We can check coin market cap for that. Civic. It's an undervalued coin still. And I believe the coins are not that much. Oops, 1 billion. So, and it's fine. That's the maximum I'm usually looking at. 1 billion or less. And then being traded 73 over 204. I don't know how much that is, but that's a good number. Okay, we're good with Civic. Don't buy right now, it's too high. It's trying to rest. Civic done. Pay. Whee! I like pay. Pay. Okay, this is, let's do one day. Not much. 12 days. 12 hours, sorry. 12-hour chart, it's going down. Or up. So it's going both ways. It's oversold, but it can still go up. Usually history repeats itself. So as you can see here, it has the same. You see here, it has the same pattern from here, from the one on the left to the one on the right. So just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, around 11. So 1, 2, 3. So alin ba yung 1, 2, 3? This one, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So there are 2 more bars left. That's not much of a margin if you ask me because of the price. It's already high. So if you're going to take a position, bantayan nyo. Look at, just make sure that you set your goals because it may go down soon. That's within 12 hours. Let's check 4-hour chart. Okay, as you can see, it's the same pattern here on the left and here on the right. Kulang pa. So there are more, it can still go up, but then it's already oversold. But on MACD, it still has potential to go up. So you can take a position, up to you really, but the margin may not be that high. Within 1 hour, so kanina 4 hours, yeah. Within 1 hour, look at that. This is a good sign. So this is an upward sign. This one is a downward sign. So it's contradicting. So again, just be careful on taking a position right now on pay, because it's not really it's it may not be exhausted yet, but the margin may not be too high. Pay done. F. Oh, F. Yeah. So yeah, if you're not a long-term trader, mapupuwet ka talaga dito kapag binantayan mo. I was like that when I started. Because I didn't know how to chart. I just know how to count. So, yeah. What's our coin? F. Okay. F. So, make sure you set your goals. That's what I always tell my friends. Like, you're gonna trade. Is it short term, medium term, long term, or a mix? If it's short term, you're really gonna have to check the charts and check the prices all the time. If it's long term, pick the coins you love. Pick the coins you believe in. So you have to check our pinned post here. I'll show you. Oops, no. There. So you have to check this pinned post from our group. This is from Carlo. Check these. This is how you do due diligence on projects. Okay? Now, let's go to it. I have a friend. I'm not sure if she's watching. It's Reg. Hi, sis, Reg. She sets she has sell orders at I think 50% and 250% or something, and then she just leaves it. And so far so good. So it's up to you. Set your goals. All right, Ethereum. It's resting, guys. Within the hour, 1 hour chart. It's resting. It's neutral. It could possibly be a buy sign. Actually, let me double check. So yeah, possible buy sign. Very weak. This is not a buy sign. So it's just one buy sign. Very very weak, guys. 4 hours. Resting, neutral, so no. And as you can see here, it's trying to copy this other pattern here on the left. So it may go up, but not yet. It's still going to rest. So wait for it to rest within 4 hours. All right, next. 12 hours. It's going down. Sell sign 12 within 12 hours. Shucks, I have Ethereum. Sell sign within MACD. Sell sign also here. So sell sign within 12 hours. So I would check for a good price to sell. 1 day. Going down. Sell sign. Sell sign. This is a doji. I'll show you guys. Wait. Not really. It's almost a doji. A doji is like this. Like it's a flat line. It means it's thinking about it. Like, what am I gonna do? Am I going to go up? Am I going to go down? So if you see something like a doji here, this one is not a doji anymore. It's fat. So if you see a doji, wait for the next candle, because that's what will tell you what's gonna happen next. So as you can see here, this one is a bearish candle and then it went down. So that's how you look at dojis. This is not a doji, apparently. It's fat. So sell signs everywhere. Ethereum will go down, guys. Next, Ethdon, SE. Okay, one thing I always tell people about SE is it's a really good coin, except it's not gonna go as high as everyone is thinking because of their pricing structure. I can't remember where the computation is, but the number of it was computed from the number of, or the amount of terabytes globally that people use, since it's it's, I think it's cloud storage, right? Sorry, I don't know SE that much, but so the global terabyte use versus the pricing structure that they have, and it's not gonna go up more than 800 satoshis, guys. So anything above 800 is hype. Just letting you know, unless they change their pricing structure. So one day, SC is resting, sleeping like a baby. One buy sign here, very weak. Neutral, guys. Yeah, you see this Bollinger Band here, the purple and the red. It closed a little and then it opened up a little. But when it opened up, it went straight down. So every time you see the Bollinger Band closing, like this one, you see here, when it closes, it's preparing for something big. It's either up or down. So this one, it prepared for this upward trend. Okay? So that's how you use the Bollinger Bands. So that's 12 hours. For our chart, it's already opened up, and as you can see, the big movement is down. So that's SC. It's resting. No, neutral. 1 hour. Neutral. Nothing, no movement. Sorry. Next. I see, done. Question. What's the indicator in the middle? You have specific settings. Yes, I do. So that's some stock, RSI. It's just default settings. Default. MACD, I have a different setting. There. Okay, next. What's our next coin? BLK, black. Okay, black ba yun? Sorry, guys. I've bought this coin before, but oops. There. But it's not really something I've looked at yet. Okay, it's neutral. Yep. So as you see, it's in the neutral zone, and a doji, possible doji. So we don't know. That's 1 hour chart. 4 hours, neutral. So as you can see, it's straight here. So you don't know if it's gonna cross or not. So that's neutral. Bollinger Band's already opened, so it's done with the upward movement. 12-hour chart. Oh, hang on. Okay, 12 hours. Doji. This is a doji, yay. You see it? Not so much, a little fat, but a little bit like a doji. So, neutral. Nothing, guys. Sorry, nothing on. Be okay. Next. NEM. Okay, let's go with NEM. NEM or XEM in Bittrex is a really good coin. Japan loves NEM. And if you guys know Cliff High, he also added this to his report. It has positive sentiments. So it's not really that much information, but it's a good coin. This is a doji, so you have to wait for the next candle. This is 1 day chart. It's going down. This is a sell sign. This is another sell sign for the 1 day chart. So if you have NEM within the day, you can sell it within 12 hours. Loading. Okay, we have 11 minutes. Sorry guys, took so long. Hey. Guys, if you have questions, ask now. We have 10 minutes more. And then we'll stop. Manisawa na kayo sa akin. Right. 12-hour chart. This is a sell side. Ooh, do you see this? This is the Bollinger Bands I'm talking about. Ta-da! It's closing. So it's gonna go down hard, guys. This is NEM or XEM. Yep. This is a sell signs everywhere. 4-hour chart, sell sign, neutral, well, sell sign, well, you should have sold here on top. So it's already neutral now. And then this one is still going down. 1 hour chart, I'm sure it's the same. Oh, it's resting. So it's already super down. Woo. And you see this Bollinger Bands? It opened up and it went down hard. Boom. And it's below the line. This is our line here. It's below the line, so it's neutral really. Nothing exciting. So that's XCM. Any more? Alright guys, if I'm not sure if you want to see this, but there are some people, bag holders of Digibyte. So I'm gonna show you Digibyte right now. Ta-da! It's sleeping like a baby. So as you can see, it's resting, just sleeping. And it's so below the oscillators here, you see? But it has some weak buy signs. This is a small buy sign. This is a good buy sign. This is also a buy sign. Yup. Wow, I didn't know. Within the hour, you have a buy sign for Digibyte. But it's not gonna move that much really because I'll show you. See that? Alright, so there's this line at the bottom. And it's trying to consolidate here. So it needs something new for it to move. But this is a good price right now, 441. So resting. This is a sell sign, sorry, a buy sign, neutral, and buy sign. Or sorry, neutral. 12 hours. Neutral, weak buy sign, weak buy sign also. 1 day. Buy sign, neutral. So it doesn't know what to do yet. Any other coins? IOTA. Okay. Nakakota na ba? That's good to know. So, oops, what's the code? Sorry. Is it IOC? Sorry, what's the right code for IOTA? Let me check. IOTA is in Bitfinex. Okay, IoT. Is that it? Okay. Sagot lang. IoT. Bitfinex. Okay. Not too much in 1 day. Let's try 12 hours. Okay, it's oversold, guys. But MACD is trying to say it may still have room to go up. But not that much because it's already oversold within 12 hours. And there's no sign of it going down yet. 4 hours. That's interesting. It's not a buy sign, but it's gonna go up within 4 hours. This one, you see this little guy here, it suddenly went down. It's gonna meet up with this red dude here, and when they do, it's gonna go down. So this is a sell sign. This one is a neutral sell, half sell sign. On the price chart, it opened up already and it's way up within the hour. So it may show something here later. You have to wait for the next candle. These two candles here, it's called a harami. You don't know what's gonna happen until you see the next one. So this big guy here and this small guy here, if the small guy is within this big guy, the body of the big guy, then that's a harami. And you have to wait for the next one to see if it's up or down. So if it's down, that's gonna go down. If it's up, then it's gonna go up. Okay? Quantum. Okay. Quantum. Okay, 5 minutes, guys. The tracks. Why June? What's up? Alright, quantum. Okay. Resting. Week by sign here. 1 hour chart. Neutral here. It's trying to open up a little. It's not that much closed, so it's energy is not that much. So slight lang. 4 hours. Gonna go. It opened up already. So it's gonna come down. Come down, yeah. Neutral, neutral. It's gonna come down within 4 hours. So if you're going to take a position in quantum ba to? Sorry, Qtum. I haven't checked this one yet. I'll check later. If you're going to take a position, don't take now. Because it's within 1 hour, it may go up a little, but not that much. So it's not gonna be worth it. This is another Harami. So you have to wait for the next one. This is a sell sign, definitely within 12 hours. Another sell sign. You see here, they're gonna cross soon. In another 12 hours, I think. So, sell sign. Quantum, sell sign. Yeah, sell signs everywhere. BTC. I love BTC. Okay, I think this would be our last coin. Bitcoin. Yep. Okay, Bitcoin hit 3,550 earlier, I think. Okay, this is Bitcoin 1-day chart. What's the price now? There you go, 3,551. It broke the wall. So there was a wall at 3,500. So it went past that. It's very good. So this is it's not the sell sign. It's gonna go up somewhere. Gonna go up, go up, go up. That's 1 day, guys. That's really good sign. Alright. Gonna go up, go up, go up within 12 hours. So if you're looking for a good time to buy, this is not a good time to buy. Unless it's long term. Because Bitcoin is pegged at $13,000 next year. With a stop over at 6,500, I think, or 6,800 within the year, I believe. So this one, go up, go up, go up. Wow, Bitcoin. Going up, going up, going up. Guys, going up lang. Bitcoin will go up and up and up and away. It has wings. Alright, that's our last coin. We have 2 more minutes. Do you have any other questions? I believe you've been overwhelmed with stuff today. But hope you have a lot of takeaways that you can bring to your trading. And if you have questions, I hope you could leave a comment on the post on our group so that we know what we can improve on next time. I know a few things like the technical difficulties and the changing of screens, but in the time, so it's 10:30, we started at 9 p.m., so that's 1.5 hours. Right, so any other questions before we end the session? Question, would there be charting in the current market on the next cast? Yes. Sure. Oops. Yeah. No more questions, guys. 9 watching. Ano na? No questions? No questions? Okay. Alright. Thank you so much, guys. You have 1 more minute. Saan Yeah. 1 more minute. If you guys haven't signed up to coins.ph yet, I can share my code. 1 sec. My code is, here you go, VPKNYK. Coins.ph. There, if you want to help out. That's 50 pesos when you complete the level 2. 50 for you, 50 for me. Alright? Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Good night. Till our next cast. We'll try again next time. We don't know yet when. Just share your insights on the comment section in the group. Thank you. Bye.